Hello there, welcome to Eco Tips and Designs. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 6 tricks to advance your AutoCAD experience. Make sure you watch to the end to get the best tricks. Let's begin. 1. Auto center line.
Center of this point and of this point, or of this point. You don't need to start measuring and then looking for the center. No. What you do, you come to here, this point, annotation, click on center line, click here, automatically get the center of this point. You can stretch it, and you can stretch it. This is your automatic center line. The same thing happens if you want to get the center of this point. You click here, and click here. Automatically you get the center of this point. This tool will help you to make your work fast. If you have a circle and you want to get the center of the circle, similar thing, go to annotation, click here, and just click the circle. You get the center of the circle. The center line automatically appears. This is how to make your center line. Now let's apply it in a real project. We want to get the center line for this basement, please. What do? Click here, and click here. Automatically our center line appears. And if you want to do the same thing to the other direction, click here, and click here. Center line automatically appears. This is how to get your center line.
2. Area of a space.
If you want to measure the area of any shape in AutoCAD, you quickly come here, utilities, you come to measure, click down here, you will see area. Click on it, and you click here, here, and here. Click enter. You automatically see the area of this structure. That is the area. So what do? We come here, click on it, click on this, click on area. Select this point, select this point, select this point, select this point. And you right click and enter. Automatically you see the area in millimeter. 3,500 times 4540. See what we got? You can see they are the same thing. That is number 2.
3. Break or discontinuous line.
Break lines are very, very important. If you have a discontinuous edge, a break line here, what do? You go to the express tool. You can see the break line symbol here. Click on it, click on this point, click on this point, click on center. That is how to insert a break line. You don't need to, for you to insert a break line, you don't need to come here and start drawing it. Draw to this point. You go up and come down, and then come like this. You see, you already start having issues. This is wrong. This is wrong. For you to do this, come to express tool, click on this point, move to this point, click on the center, and that is it. That is how to get a break line. Let's apply break line. Click here, come down a bit, click here, then click the center. Automatically have a break line. You can increase the size when you click here. See the size, click on it, and put it to be 150. Enter. If you want to increase the size, that is it. You have your break line.
4. Multiple pages in one PDF.
And you start printing one after another. Select this, and then you preview, and then you print. No, that is wrong. You do this one, and then you print. You do this one, then you print. No, that's not. If you want to print all your job at the same time, you quickly come to plot, output, batch plot. You remove the AutoCAD file. Confirm your location. Then you batch plot. Click now. And automatically you click close. Like you see, publish complete. You can see here. You can see publish complete. You can see all my drawings are published in one document, 3 pages, all published in one document.
5. Find and replace.
Here is how to use find and replace. You highlight it, copy the name, the exact name, and find, paste, Ctrl V, then you replace. I'm wanting to replace it with Q8080.3. So I say Q8080. Drawing and click on replace. So I click on replace. It's done. You can see it has been replaced here, replaced here. Don't need to do them one by one in every other part of this structure, this drawing. Ctrl A, copy all, copy, copy all, find them, replace, Ctrl V, paste it, and then I'll look for name here. We have UB24T 55102, UB245 by 102 by 24. Confirm. By 22, 102 by 22. Entire drawing replaced. And you see it has been replaced in 10 places and click OK. Please click and done. Discover it has replaced here, replaced here, replaced here. All the places where it was, you see it has replaced them.
6. Quick dimensions.
Quick dimensions. And hit enter. Make sure you're not selecting previous dimension. And hit enter. That is how to use the dimension tools. You can move them closely. So quick dimension, you see it as dimension all the portions, the wall, this window.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and like. And if you have something to say, kindly use the comment section. Bye.